Equity benchmark indices Sensex and Nifty have surged for the sixth straight session, rising 1% on improved foreign fund inflows and heavy buying in banking stocks. The Sensex was up 763.53 points or 0.99% at 77,669.04, and the Nifty was up 230.80 points or 0.99% at 23,581.20. About 2,579 shares advanced, 904 shares declined, and 144 shares remained unchanged. Dr. Sharat Kohli, economist, joins us live on the broadcast. Dr. Kohli, what has led to this upward swing in the market this Monday?
Well, it's been sixth session in a row today when the market has risen, and that too quite significantly. What is important to note is that all the six sessions, there was a very comprehensive rise that we've seen. The markets have been, I think it's a very welcome news after a very long time, because since October, ever since the FII and the FPI selling started, the markets have constantly been under pressure and been closing in red more often than not. There have been some interim relief, but then not the one which we have seen recently. I think the market seems to be digesting the trade tariffs which the Trump administration has been imposing. I think after all, the market thinks that the impact may not be as devastating as was being realized earlier. And the important thing is that renewed interest from the FPIs and the FIIs would also significantly help the market. Well, overall, I would say that the market is not exactly out of the woods. I would not say that this is a turnaround where we are, we've come out of the bear phase and we've entered the bull phase. That may not be the case, because we'll have to wait till 2nd of April when President Trump's reciprocal tariff policy comes into effect, where more than 100 countries would be impacted. We'll have to wait and see. So I think the time to celebrate can be kept on hold for some time. Well, you can enjoy, as in markets we say, trend is the friend. So if the trend is upwards, I think it's good to be. Some people are recovering their losses. People who were in SIPs and who had liquidated their SIPs, I think they must be regretting, probably we hurried up. But I think for the people who were investing at the bottoms, I think they must be rejoicing. They must have gained from that level. But I think to tread cautiously is still the advice, because the market, as per my understanding, is not completely out of the woods. I would conclusively give an opinion after 2nd of April whether we've really turned it out or not. Uday.
All right. In fact, Dr. Kohli, we leave it at that. Thank you for joining us with your perspective. Comedian Kunal